Some question are given. Question is that a plus b is equal to 10. A, b is equal to 100. What is the value of a and b? How to solve this problem? Let us start solution. First of all, see here. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2. After next step, see here from equation number 1. Here from equation number 1, a plus b is equal to 10. After next step, see here, this b is equal to 10 minus a. This is equation number 3. This is equation number 3. See here, from equation number 2. Equation number 2 telling that a b is equal to 100. See here, b is equal to 10 minus a from equation number 3. B value put in this place. See here, a bracket open, b value 10 minus a bracket close is equal to 100. After next step, see here, a into 10, 10a minus a into a square is equal to 100. After next step, see here, this 100 comes this side in negative 4. So minus a square plus 10a minus 100 is equal to 0. After next step, see here, multiplying minus 1 both side. See here, a square minus 10a plus 100 is equal to 0. See here, this is quadratic equation form. This is quadratic equation form. So we know that quadratic equation formula is that a is equal to minus b plus minus root under b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. The next step, see here, a is equal to b value minus 10 plus minus root under b square means minus 10 square minus 4 into a value 1, c value 100 divided by 2 into a value 1. After next step, see here, a is equal to minus minus plus 10 plus minus root under minus 10 square means 100 minus 4 into 100, 400 divided by 2. After next step, see here, a is equal to 10 plus minus root under minus 300 divided by 2. The next step, a is equal to 10 plus minus 300 will be written as, see here, 100 into 3 into minus 1 divided by 2. After next step, a is equal to 10 plus minus, see here, 100 root 100 into root 3 into root minus 1 divided by 2. We know that root under minus 1 value eta. A is equal to 10 plus minus root 100 value 10 root 3 into root minus 1 value eta divided by 2. After next step, see here, a is equal to 2 common 5 plus minus 5 root 3 I bracket close divided by 2. 2 cancel here. A is equal to 5 plus minus 5 root 3 I. This is the a value. See here, this is the complex solution. After next step, see here, a is equal to 5 plus 5 root 3 I. Second, a is equal to 5 minus 5 root 3 I. From equation number 3 telling that b is equal to 10 minus a. Here b is equal to 10 minus a. Here a value, b is equal to 10 minus a value how much? 5 plus 5 root 3 I, bracket close. Here b is equal to 10 minus a value 5 minus 5 root 3 I, bracket close. The next step see here, b is equal to 5 minus 5 minus 5 root 3 I. This is the b value. See here, b is equal to 10 minus plus minus 5 minus plus 5 root 3 I. Here b is equal to 5 plus 5 root 3 I. This is the b value. Therefore, a comma b value is that a value 5 plus 5 root 3 I. B value 5 minus 5 root 3 I. Here b value, a value comma b value is that a value 5 minus 5 root 3 I, b value 5 plus 5 root 3 I. This is the final value of AB. Let's checking this value will be correct or not. Let's checking. According to question, a plus b is equal to 10. AB is equal to 100. Therefore, see here, a value how much? 5 plus 5 root 3 I plus b value 5 minus 5 root 3 I is equal to question mark 10. Here 5 root under 3 I, 5 into root 3 I cancel. Left it 5 plus 5 is equal to question mark 10. 10 is equal to 10. See here, LH and RH both are equal. So the value of A and B are correct. See here, A, B is equal to 100. Therefore, see here, A value 5 plus 5 root 3 I. B value 5 minus 5 root 3 I, bracket close, is equal to 100 question mark. So here this is in the form of a square minus b square form. It is a b. Therefore 5 square minus bracket open 5 root under 3 I whole square is equal to 100 question mark. 5 square 25 minus c here 5 root under 3 whole square into I square is equal to 100. We know that I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, 25 minus 5 square, 25 into 3 into minus 1 is equal to 100. See here, minus plus 25 plus 75 is equal to 100. See here, 100 is equal to 100. Means LH and RH both are equal. So the value of AB are correct for this solution. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel.